Yep, that's me. You're probably wondering how a 200-pound Canadian ended up on his ass in Hawaii. Well, that's a long story. It's January, and in Canada, it's cold. So, the boys now decided there's only one thing to do. Josh, I have something to tell you. We are going to Hawaii.
My love's like a black hole sun, so bright when it burns, so dark when it's done. So hard to relate to one when I find myself tripping off that blunt. Tripping off this
The drogas.
Oh, sorry. Nathan, you can't be saying stuff like that.
Sorry. What is that?
Yeah.
That's disgusting.
Yeah.
It is so bad. I hate it.
My Korean energy bars.
Yo, can you like stick it in there? Oh, I gave myself a paper cut.
Yeah, is that just the Asian and the Arab got searched?
Nathan's name is way too white. Nathan Manor. It doesn't sound like foreign.
The Asian and the Arab got checked.
tripping off this bus, so I might be blunt if I do confront you. Don't run, don't run from the black hole sun.
Air is different.
The air is very different.
Very different than Montreal.
You could feel the humidity. It's very hot.
It's too hot. I'm wearing a hoodie and sweatpants. I'm gonna actually die of heat stroke and death.
Max.
I lost my bag.
Did someone actually take it, or is it just not gone?
Yeah, we're here.
Oh.
What was the wrong one?
That's what Adam said, 2006.
What if he's sleeping? Yeah, put your face, it's gonna scare him.
What if this fucker's asleep?
Yo, dipshit, can you open the door, please?
Huh?
Can you open the door, please? We've been standing here for like 30 minutes.
Oh shit.
Oh, motherfuckers.
Alright, we're going Domino's. Alright.
Oh yeah, also Adam, I have no baggage.
Adam, how did you sleep in both beds?
I took one mattress out to front for the bonnet.
You'll see it. This, during daytime, is the nicest view from a hotel you'll ever see. And then over there is the beach.
Okay, so where is
Beach is pitch black, so yeah.
where's Domino's?
Hello. Hello.
Comes the 2 to the 3 to the 4. Everybody drunk out on the dance floor. Baby girl ass jiggle like she want more. Like she a groupie and I ain't even know a tour. Baby cause she heard that I rhyme hardcore. Or baby cause she heard that I rhyme hardcore.
No, wait.
He wasn't. He's being homophobic. I made him, you know.
Separate.
Testify, Nathan. What was he doing?
Well, he said that he supports gays. I told him to kiss me on the lips.
So I refused to kiss him on the lips.
Exactly.
And then?
Homophobe.
Baby cause she heard that I rhyme hardcore. Or baby cause she heard that I buy out the stores. Bottom of the ninth and the nigga got a score. If not I gotta move on to the next floor. Here comes the 3 to the 2 to the 1. Homeboy tripping, he don't know I got a gun. When they come to poppin', we do shit for fun. You have one nigga, you better run. Now I'm in the back getting hit from a hun. Why she going down, I'm bragging on what I done. She smoking my blunt and she ain't having fun. Bitch, give it back, now you don't get none. Everybody in this bitch get tips.
No! Oh, what? You're gonna concuss me. I couldn't fucking care! What? How have you turned so mean?
Bro, I spent a week with motherfuckers. I'm done.
Liar, Shepard, you want more? I'm coming to live with you in Leicester when I get back.
Oh, the race will be in here. I remember putting it here.
Break your fucking camera.
Alright, well, my camera's charging, so I guess we're vlogging on the GoPro for the rest of the day.
I need to buy a drink.
Let's get it.
Ready.
Good man. Honolulu Zoo. Vlogging on a GoPro? What do you think it was?
Alright guys, we need a pose. It's so hot.
Adam, we're over
I need to
here.
get out of the sun, bro.
Adam, we're over here.
Nice.
Adam,
Call, Nathan.
Adam, we're over here. Hi.
Yo, COVID-19 could be passed to animals, so respect social distancing with animals, okay?
Yeah, bro. They
Alright, Josh, get away from me.
This. Oh, turtles. Now we gotta get the footage of the monkey to the other monkey.
Yes. Like, what are you just doing that all day? Just.
I want to see everything.
Oh my god. Those remind me of your people. It's true.
That's so out of nowhere. They remind me of your people.
It's not even just the color. I don't know.
It's the
their body. I don't know.
Vlog for a second. Did anyone hear what Adam said?
What, it looks like Josh?
Out here, I looked and I said, "Oh look, there's black monkeys," and Adam started laughing. Adam started laughing.
Adam did a racist.
The lengthy one. Alright, if Adam was a monkey, I feel like that's the monkey who was.
Hello, vlog.
God damn it.
Hello.
Go away.
His tail's a hand.
Go.
His tail's actually a hand. That's so creepy. Adam, why are you
Hello.
monkey version?
Fuck.
You made the picture blurry.
It's the baboon.
Oh, they got the red ass.
Pink.
You got Twinkies in there. Family pack.
The baboon's right
They're probably
there.
on the other side.
He's right there. You can see him.
Where?
He's gray.
It's right there in the corner. He's going for the Twinkies.
Yeah, get them Twinkies.
Baboon roll out.
He's going for the Twinkies.
Oh, look at that.
Dang, you got an ass, bro. You got fucking
1,
dumped.
2, 3, all filming. Not realizing the beauty. Oh, and another one! Faco Chorochius africanus. The Faco Chorochius africanus.
Okay, I'm walking away from there. I'm walking away.
I'm following it. Where is it?
So
It means no worries for the rest of your days. It's all problem free philosophy. Hakuna Matata.
Fancy. Wait, can I wear your t-shirt instead of this? Your tropical t-shirt, your white one.
If you promise some acts right now, if you will stop being gay with him.
Max, we're breaking up.
No, too easy, too easy.
Max, we're breaking up. Alright.
We broke up. Now give it to me.
Give it to him. And then spread your cheeks so he can give it to you.
You wanna try that shit?
No, no.
Yeah, exactly. Get your fucking knees. Big. Yeah, sure, bro.
Yes. He's calling you in the shower.
Adam? Okay, bro, do you want underwear?
Yeah.
Alright, I found your underwear.
Yeah, the underwear is in the plastic bag.
Okay, then I don't. Why is this not in a plastic bag?
Oh, because it's dirty.
Oh, go, go, go.
Oh, I need food.
No, you need to eat.
No, but wait, I need to finish the Gatorade first.
No, you.
Jesus. Yeah, I don't need food. I need to eat.
Go, boom. What you fuck?
No, I'm ready to go eat.
You can literally just.
Yeah, you need to go to that.
Boom. Boom.
It's about drive, it's about power. We stay hungry, we devour.
This is not worth recording.
And now, it's time to go home. Now the audio didn't record for any of this, so I'm going to tell you what happened. We got to the Honolulu airport about 3 hours early, and we went on a little bit of an adventure. Then we flew from Hawaii to San Francisco, and we saw a robot. Then at 8 a.m. we got onto our flight to Montreal. Then at 8:30 a.m. we got off our flight to Montreal because it got cancelled. Apparently there was a snowstorm back home. Now after living in the airport for a few hours, we decided that we should probably get a hotel. The next morning at 5 a.m. we were back at the airport ready for our flight to Vancouver and then back home to Montreal. Look, there's Max and Nathan getting off the plane. And that wraps up our Hawaiian adventure. Hope you enjoyed.
Time keep flying.